So hello everyone, this is Jasa and today in this video we are going to talk about that how to practice of your English alone. Basically a lot of people are asking me a lot of questions regarding this topic that we are alone and we don't have a lot of friends, we don't have any connectivity with another people. So how we can practice, the way we can practice and we can improve our communication skills in English. So alone. There are a lot of ways to practice of your English alone, guys. Okay, the first and very effective technique that have been used by a lot of people around the world, that is mirror practice. Mirror practice is the most significant for everyone. If you really are serious, if you really want to improve your communication skill in English, you must have to practice of your English in front of mirror, guys. In front of mirror, what you can practice, that is first of all you have to know the introduction of yours. You have to introduce yourself, that and after that you have to check your body language, the way you are speaking, your face expressions and your smile, the way you are speaking in front of the mirror, and you are able to understand the things which you are speaking over there. Understood? And the second thing you can do, that is you have to write some articles, some like blogs and whatever, you can write some essays, and you have to take it on your hand and you have to speak something in front of the mirror by standing every day on a daily basis, in the morning time or whenever you are free, a lot of time. Understood? So more and more you have to focus on your speaking skills in front of mirror. And second technique is that you can record yourself, the thing which I am doing right now in front of you guys. You have to record yourself like in your cell phone. For example, whenever you are visiting any like historical places, anywhere like you are going to any park or with friends, any mall you are going, and anywhere wherever you are going, just you have to take your cell phone and you have to start recording yourself, and after that you have to speak something like, for example, I have come in this place and we are enjoying and we are having fun with friends, and there are a lot of interesting places, there are a lot of things which you have to purchase today and we have to enjoy a lot, we have to hang out together with all the friends simultaneously. So whatever comes in your mind, you have to speak something or other on a certain situation and in every aspects of your life, guys. Then you will definitely be able to speak in English for the rest of your life. Understood? So first technique was that mirror practice, and second is that mobile practice, and the third is that you have to take your cell phone and just start calling to another people, like you can call to customer cares, and there are a lot of applications which already I have suggested to all my students and all the people, guys, and who have been using this particular application, that is Hello App. And Hello App is absolutely free, of course, for those students who are really damn interested to improve their communication skill in English, and they have been using and they are improving their communication skill, guys, themselves only by sitting at home very easily. So this is very effective and this is very important to everyone, guys. Understood? So this is the main important point. You can call and you can talk to anyone. Like you can create some different topics, like for example you can talk about your cyber crime, you can talk about your mobile issues, whatever the issues are going on in your mobile phone, your SIM card. You can talk to customers and you can arise more and more questions. Okay, and you don't have to shy, you have to be more confident while asking a lot of questions with those people, and they will definitely reply because they are also like interested to improve their English as well, guys, the way you want to improve yourself. Understood? So calling you can do, and because you are alone, and as you told me that you are alone and you don't have a lot of like any other ways, other alternatives to improve your English, so this thing which you have to do on a daily basis every day. Understood? And the fourth thing which you have to do, that books will definitely help you, guys. Books you can do that, you have to start reading any books, whatever you like, whatever your interest. Along with books, you can read like newspapers, you can read blogs, you can read articles on Google very easily, guys. Whatever, there are a lot of materials which are available easily in internet and technology, you can take with the help of technology, you can definitely improve your English. Understood? So these are the main factors which you have to improve, and the one of the most important thing, that is you have to do is start talking to yourself. For example, if you are alone, then if you are sitting in the room, then just you can say, I'm sitting in this room, I'm feeling very well here, and I'm just watching cricket. And for example, and one of the most effective point that I would like to suggest you guys, that is you can watch some like a TV series, and one of the most important thing, that is cricket. If you are watching cricket, then you can decrease the sound of volume and you have to mimic it. For example, Sachin Tendulkar is playing very nice and he is really marvelous, he is really awesome batting he is doing, and he is hitting a lot of sixes, and he has won the match, and he is really marvelous, and he is magnificent. So you can do mimicry, and you can like copy them, guys, and by copying them, like you can improve your pronunciation, you can improve your hesitation, you can improve your like confidence, and so many things by watching you can do that. Understood? And so start following and start taking actions, guys. You can follow so many like places where you can speak in English if you are alone at home. And at the time of pandemic, a lot of people were alone at home and they have improved themselves, guys. So don't try to keep on thinking only that I have to improve today, and just start taking actions. If you take action today, and you will definitely be able to speak in English, guys, and you will definitely be able to learn, and you will not be able to forget each and everything, guys. The thing which I have suggested to you in this particular video, and you are gonna, if you apply this, and you will definitely be improved yourself a lot, because I have already suggested to all my students, and they have been doing this kind of practices at home, and they are improving, and I can see the changes in themselves. Understood, guys? And the thing which I have done, I have already created so many content on this particular channel which you are watching right away. Understood? So these are the usage, and the like when it comes to grammar, and grammar is also actually important, because it will actually enhance your knowledge, it will actually brush up your English, it will actually make over your English, because grammar can improve your basics. If you don't improve your basics, then how can you like improve your, if your foundation is weak, then your building will also be weak, guys. So try to focus on learning grammar, like basic things you can learn, that is started from tenses and modals and like all the parts of speeches, and you can improve some vocabulary on a daily basis, guys, and like daily usage vocabulary which you can find very easily on internet, Google, like easy to understand, and all the vocabulary which you can like learn, and you can like affix on your wall, and you can watch it every day on a daily basis. For example, if you are going to watch like your face in front of the mirror, and just you have to like keep in your mind toward the like toward that word meanings, and you have to improve every day. And after that, day by day, it will keep on improving. Suddenly you will started think that okay, your English is definitely is improving nowadays. So these are the factors, these are the important rules, these are important tricks and tips which you have to follow. And by practicing nowadays, by practicing after that, you will definitely see in yourself that your English will be improving very easily, guys. So understood? So these are the ways, these are the best and important ways, the way you can practice of English alone, if you don't have any friends, if you don't have any connectivity with another people, and if you are very introvert, guys. So these are the ways. Understood? So I hope that you have understood the thing which I have suggested to this particular video, and if you have understood, so thank you so much for watching my video, and have a great day, and take care, guys.